if you drop your fold, you're not gonna have any problems. This thing is gonna protect it. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a new case here for this Galaxy Z Fold4. Now, this is a great company, SUPCASE. SUPCASE sent me out a couple cases. This is the Unicorn Beetle for the Galaxy Z Fold4. Now, like I said, I wanted to thank SUPCASE for sending this out. This is some amazing packaging by SUPCASE. They do a great job when they send out products. If you order from them, you're going to be very well pleased. They do an awesome job. Now, you can pick this up for about $59, 50 to 60 bucks. All the Z Fold 4 cases are very pricey. This one is kind of in the medium range. Now, this case contains a kickstand, a belt clip, a screen protector. It pretty much has everything that you would want in a case. Now let's go ahead and take out the packaging. As you can see, they do give you a really nice box and some really good materials that they pack the phone in. There's that belt clip, so you can go full dad mode when you're at the park watching your kids play or doing whatever you need to do. It does come with the screen protector, like I said. There you go. You got that cover screen protector built in. Then you got the back of the device here, which is the blue, which I'm digging. This is a really nice color. Really digging this color. And it comes in, I think, 4 colors. And then you got the good old belt clip that you can you can move it around 360 degrees, so you can go completely around. Heavy duty. Look at this material. This material is unbelievable. So you get black, you get the green, you get the red, and the tilt, which is the blue, which is the one I have. So that's the one we're going to show you for the sake of the video. I do like this color. And then you got like nice little felt here that protects your device. Go ahead and snap this in. Make sure you put it in right, because you don't want to scratch your stuff, you know. Go ahead and, wow, that's nice. That is some really good, really good protection. And then the cover screen, we're gonna go ahead and take off the adhesive here on the back. And then there's some adhesive on the front that comes right off. They have a little tag that makes it very easy. And then you get that nice little screen protector. You have like a little hole there for your Z Fold. Go ahead and clean the screen first so that everything is nice and clean, so that you can put it on nice. I had a little speck of dirt there that I didn't like, so, but then we'll just pop this on. Slide it on, and yeah, you got a nice little screen protector. You got good protection there. Oh man, there's no doubt that this is actually not that bulky, to be honest with you. I really do like this. This feels really good in the hand. Obviously, you don't have the hinge protection there, so that's going to be exposed. So be careful that you don't scratch up your Z Fold 4, but it should be fine. I don't think you're going to have any problem. As far as the screen, you could see here that it works just fine. I have no issues as far as looking at my Twitter, looking at my stuff. I'm able to, scroll up and down, go back. Let's go to ESPN. You see there? I get a little something, little bug, little bee. Look at that. That's nice. So you got a nice little. This is really nice, man. Look at this. And then you get your volume up and down buttons there with a separate cover, and then your fingerprint, so that you can have easy access to your fingerprint. That makes it nice. And then look at this, man. This is. I wish other case companies made their cover screen this well built. I mean, the protection on this is just phenomenal. Okay, and then your back here, look at this. There you go. Look at that. I mean, your camera is severely protected. Then you get your viewing here for your kickstand. Yeah, if you want to watch a ESPN, do whatever you want, and then you can tilt it this way so you can watch videos. Obviously, if you open it up, you're going to be able to watch your videos like this, which is nice, so that you can view your scores, view whatever you need to do. Some nice viewing there. I don't know if you could do it this way. Yeah, I guess you could. You could do it like that. I don't think it's gonna bother you, but having this kickstand is kind of nice because you can definitely view everything that you need to view. But this thing is definitely nice. And you get the adhesive strips for your cover screen inside, the rubbery sticky material, so that you can open it up real easy. All right, so this is a thick case, so we're gonna go ahead and try the wireless charging on here. So we'll go ahead and drop it on. Boom. And she's charging up, no problem there. Try it one more time. Boom. All right, so Beetle clip is pretty easy. You kind of just slide it in here through the bottom and then snap it in. And then when you want to pop it out, you kind of just one-handed mode, boom. Real easy to take in and out. So you just kind of hit that part there, boom, get your stuff out, you're good to go. It's nice, man. Belt clip on deck, you got a kickstand, great protection. You can even watch it like this, like that, open it up, get your video like that, or like this. You don't want to watch it like that. That ain't gonna work. But yeah, you got all kinds of ways that you can kind of look at your content here. And if you want to check me out on Android Stud, you can. That's gonna do it, man. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I do like this case. This is nice. Is it bulky? It's not slim and trim like some of the other ones but those are cheap. If you drop your fold, you're not gonna have any problems. This thing is gonna protect it. It's gonna be the case you need if you want some serious tank protection, and you can go full dab mode with the belt clip. SUPCASE, Unicorn Beetle, UB baby. I'm out. Peace. The belt clip. Let's try that again. The belt clip, you have to